Okay, so I ordered the Yamaha Rhino 2-inch lift kit, and I'm putting it on the Cadet Challenger MX 550. Same framework as the 750, so if anybody wants to tackle this. All in all, everything fits. I've only done the front, which is only what I want to do to level it. But anyways, it comes... Cadet welds, I ground it, you can see that, but they weld these washers on there, I guess for double structure or whatever, but they only weld the very, very bottom of the washer, so you can pry it down. I pried it with a screwdriver and then took a chisel piece and popped it off and ground it. Now, fits like a glove. So if anybody wants to tackle this project and it's got a little bit of DIY skills, it's an easy lift. The other thing is on this side here, let me grab a full bracket. Okay, so as you can see, it doesn't fit because it hits that. So I just took the measurement, cut it down. Voila, good to go. I already had them bolted up. See that little edge right there?